to Alert Last School. We have an English program. Today we're going to take you around the school and show you a variety of primary classrooms, mainly from P1 students, to show our system of learning and academics at the school. We'll take you to some of our specialty rooms and talk about the different learning that takes place in each class. We can go into the school and look at some of the classrooms now.
Before we do our math subtraction stories, first we're going to do simple math addition or subtraction, okay? So, first, give teacher 10 fingers up, please. 10 fingers up. 10 fingers up. Now, let's do it together. What is this number? 10 minus. So, what are we going to do? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and bye-bye. Now, 10 minus 5 equals 5. How do we know it's 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Easy peasy. Next one. Show teacher 10 fingers up again. Now, let's do this one together. So, we have 10 minus 4. So let's do it together. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many do we have? 6. Remember 5 and then 1. So it's 6 fingers. Now let's do the next one. Now we're gonna do our math subtraction stories, okay? First up, let's see, who's going to read the coconuts?
There are 5 coconuts on the tree. 3
Fell.
fall off the tree. How many are left on the tree?
Beautiful, Prim. Beautiful. Next up to do the sentence for us, who's going to fill in the boxes, is 9. Anna. So first up, step number 1. So take the purple marker. Okay. Now what are we going to circle? Yeah. 5. Beautiful. Okay, now step number 2. We have to look for the green one. What is going to be the green number? Yeah, very good. Super. Now we're gonna go to step number 3 and we're going to finish the math problem. Right, so what's going to be in box number 1? 5. Good job. Box number 2, what's this one going to be? minus. Fantastic. And then the last one, this one is going to be 3. Good job. All right. Okay. Let's do it together, okay? 5 fingers up. Now, 5 fingers by how many? 5 by 3. So let's go. 1, 2, 3. How many do we have? 2. Good job, Anna. Last box. Beautiful, Anna.
Unit 6, we have talked about fruits, yes? So, let's see if it works. So, if you see a happy face, do you think that means like or don't like? Like, okay. Let's see if it works. All right, so, do you like oranges? All right, who likes oranges? All right, Soda, do you like oranges? Okay, so if you like oranges, you say what? Yes. Yes, I do. Okay. And what about strawberries? Who likes strawberries? Dollar. Do you like strawberries? Yes or no? Yes? Okay. All right. Let's keep going. So, can everyone say orange? Oranges. Strawberry. Strawberries. Okay, so we have more fruit here. What do we have? What's this? Pear. All right, and pears. All right, so who likes pears? Raise your hand. All right, Nati, do you like pears? No? All right, if no, you would say what? No, I. Yes, I do, or? Okay, all right, let's see. Do you like pears? What do we say? No, I. Okay, I don't like pears. Okay, what about bananas? Does my friend here like bananas? All right, so first we have banana and bananas. All right, so do you like bananas? Yes or no? Right, so it says, yes, I do. I like bananas. Okay.
Now, with your color pencils, I want you to think of 6 different things that you can see, okay? And then I want you to draw them. It can be a rainbow. Perfect. It could be a cloud. What else? Our friends. Your desk. Cacao. Or your teacher. Or your chair. Okay. Or a computer. You can draw anything you want. Yes. Okay? So Miss Britt's gonna draw my 6 pictures, you're gonna draw your 6 pictures, and then when you're finished, we're gonna share some of our ideas, okay? You can color and draw with color pencils. You don't have to draw in pencil if you don't want to. You can draw in colors. You're gonna draw Cindy? Okay. I think Miss Britt is going to start with a rainbow. All right. I'm going to draw a rainbow because I think they are beautiful. Okay. So this is something we can see when what happens? When it what? Psh, psh. When it rains and it has the sun. It is possible. I've seen rainbows in Thailand. Benno, we live in a very hot place and it rains from like July to October. Of course you see rainbows. Yeah, they're beautiful, huh? Yeah. Yellow. You see a rainbow in your house? Wow. Oh my goodness. Yes, Fuji. 4 times? Wow. How many colors are in a rainbow? What? Black? Miss Brett is going backwards. I'm gonna be a backwards person today. You're welcome, sweet. I don't know, why not? Just like your handwriting.
It's just like me. Why do you like my handwriting?
Your handwriting is super tiny
And very small. It's super cute.
and super cute. What else do we see in the sky that Miss Britt might want to do? Clouds? Okay. What do we want our clouds to do? Do we want them to just be a cloud? Do we want them to rain? Do we want it to be a storm? A storm? Yes, quick cow.
I can make a very anything rainbow when I come to school.
Yeah?
I have a storm or rain or snow. Miss Britt, will I have storm or rain or snow?
Oh yeah? I'm gonna make a black cloud because last night it was raining really, really, really hard. And it was thunder and lightning.
I just wake up.
Yeah,
I just wake up and I cannot sleep anymore.
I know.
อ้างโอ้เสียงสุนัขคนเงียบชึบทีนี้ครูแพรอยากได้ยินเสียงสัตว์ทั้งหลายเลย ทุกคนจะออกเสียงเป็นเสียงสัตว์ที่อยู่บนหัวของเราโอเคไหมคะ1 2 3อยากได้ยินเสียงสัตว์จังเลยภาพนี้เป็นภาพของอะไรคะสุนัขใช่นะคะสุนัขเขาก็มีอวัยวะเหมือนที่ครูแพรสอนเด็กๆไปเมื่อกี้นะคะยกตัวอย่างเช่นเขามีหูมีจมูกมีตามีอะไรคะปากแล้วก็มีอะไรคะผิวหนังยกตัวอย่างเช่นนะคะหูเหมือนที่เด็กๆตอบครูแพรเลยหูของเขาเนี่ยก็ทำหน้าที่อะไรนะคะฟังเสียงต่างๆแล้วจมูกล่ะคะดมกลิ่นและหายใจตาละลูกใช้มองสิ่งต่างๆปากกินอาหารแล้วก็ส่งเสียงต่อไปผิวหนังก็คือเนี่ยค่ะเหมือนคนอย่างเงี้ยผิวหนังก็ทำหน้าที่ปกคลุมร่างกายถูกไหมคะ